So here we have the Sonic. This one is got a leak by the clutch slave cylinder, the one inside the box, the concentric slave. So this is the one we did last year. We did all the stuff now. So now I want to see if there's no play maybe on the truss for a bearing. That can also happen in it. Must push out too far and the seal pop out. So hopefully it's not that. Or can maybe just be a bad bearing. This customer, I was driving it for about 50-60 kilometers before I give it to him. He was driving it to, I think he was in Mosselbaai or somewhere. Drive there, everything well. All of a sudden, they just pop. So yeah, shit also happens, né? You can do your work so good, but the parts can be a problem. Nieuwe jaar, nieuwe problemen. Oude problemen. Kevin? Nog een story. But the clutch was perfect. Perfect. Put new gearbox oil in, everything nice, clean. So yeah, this is the one we put the water pump in, the time belt kit. That's the first time it happened to me just now. That seal pop. The concentric slave. So yeah, let's sort it out.